Hi naturals, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be all about fenugreek. I'm pretty sure we are all very familiar with fenugreek and all its benefits. So in this video, I'm simply going to be sharing 2 ways to use fenugreek seeds to promote stronger, healthy and longer natural hair. So guys, for the first method, I'm going to add my fenugreek seeds into my blender and I'm going to go ahead and add some water. I am going to leave the measurements in my description box. So if you want to use my measurement, do well to check out my description box. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and blend this to get the consistency I want, and this took about 5 minutes. So guys, the first method is ready. This is something you can easily just make. Like if you want to detangle your hair, you can simply make this. This is really good if you're trying to hydrate your hair. Like it's really going to leave your hair feeling really soft and manageable. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into my spray bottle, and that will be all for the first method, guys. It is really easy and quick, and it is also very effective. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what to do next in the second method, which I believe is the one that is very common here on YouTube. A lot of people use that one and it's also very effective. For the second method, I'm simply going to add in some water to a pot and I'll bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add my fenugreek seed mixed with fenugreek powder. So guys, I'm going to be using the first one to moisturize my protective towel. This is just to keep my hair hydrated. This is really easy and very effective. This way you're protecting your scalp and also locking in moisture in your scalp. So guys, this is really easy. Just go ahead and choose one method you want to make for yourself and you're really going to love it. So I'm just going to store the second method in the fridge, which I'm going to be using later on. And that is just all for this video, guys. I really hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that will be all for this video till I see you all in my next video. Bye guys.